That was a good nap. Wait. What? Why are the others piling up? Hey, I can't move my tail. I'm stuck between the other birds. Uh, 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 ah! Oh, I'm fine. Oh, yeah, that was a good nap. You're right. But everybody's still sleeping. Let's wake them up. Yeah, but we need extra voice so that the birds can hear it. What are you planning on? To shout as loud as we can to wake up all the other birds. So we need more birds to do that. Yeah. We have to shout together at the same time. Okay. Oh, I can do that. I'm a loud shouter. Okay, I will join in with you guys. Oh, I burped. I also burped. Oh, wait, you said that. Yeah, we also burped. Well, let's wash our face first so that all the other sleepy motions get off of our face. Yeah, I'm coming. So will I come? Yeah, I love refreshing water. Oh wait, let's go to the sea at early morning. It's 3 o'clock. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's refresh with some splashes from the salty water. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, my beak was stuck back there. Let's go. Yeah, in the previous video, we all jumped from the diving board each by each and have turns to jump from the diving board. So let's go. Yeah, today we could see the fish. Let's see the fish today. Yeah, there might be beautiful saltwater fish that we don't know of. Yeah, I know only one saltwater fish, that is clownfish. Oh, you already know one. Yeah, I know